Hi guys, Sam from DIB Audio Visual. Today we're just doing a quick review, real quick test on another wireless HDMI, if you like, wireless HDMI streaming product, Airtame. We first looked at Airtame a couple of years ago, and they've come a long way since then. And this is the Airtame 2 product. As I say, this is not a comprehensive test. This is really a first impression. So, literally I've just pulled this out of the box. It comes in a box like this, and this is what you get in the box. You get the Airtame unit and some leads to power it and get into the HDMI, and a power supply if you need it. Look, a nice little product, and has a little, I don't know if you can see here, but it has a little magnet on the back of it. So and there's some double-sided tape here in case that's not the case. Same with the leads. So anyway, they've designed it to actually mount behind your screen quite well. Now, this is a live test, so let's just see how we go. So we take the USB-C, we plug it into the back of the Airtame unit, and I'm left with HDMI and USB for power. So if your monitor or projector has power, you can power it that way, otherwise you'll have to use the Airtame adapter. I'm going to use the 240-volt adapter because I'm just plugging into a wall socket. But if we go over here and plug it in down here, let's see how we go. I'm just going to plug it in down here to the power point, and then plug it into my HDMI connection up to my screen. So plugged in down there on the floor. We'll see if it comes up. I did this 5 minutes earlier, and I haven't changed anything I've done. Basically, I didn't have to do anything. The Wi-Fi we're using here is open at the moment, so the unit found the Wi-Fi itself. What I did do is download the Airtame software from their website, which was pretty straightforward, and I'll just start recording on the laptop so I can stitch this in so you can see what's going on. Just turn that screen on. I turned it off actually. Make sure that that is awake, and we'll see what's up on the screen. If we come over here, you can see, hopefully, here's the display on the wall, and what it's actually showing is it just says present wirelessly, connect to Wi-Fi, and it's showing the Wi-Fi that it's found. Download the app, go to airtame.com/start, and that's the instructions it gives, and that's literally what it did. I did no setup. So then what you do is, sorry, a bit of a break in the gimbal there, but so what you then do is, if you've got the app on, you run the app on your desktop, which you can see here. I'll stitch it actually in, and at that point I get the two choices you can see on screen here, which is either share window or share screen. So if I choose share screen, theoretically what's going to happen is it's going to take my desktop, which is actually my second desktop, so you can't see it in this tab here. Actually, if I do share window, it might be more helpful. If I bring this content over here, and if I go window, I choose this window. So what you'll actually see, we're not tracking anymore. What you'll actually see is the window is here. Okay, so it's as simple as that, basically. It worked pretty well straight out of the box. Now, obviously, if you've got a particular network set up here, you might need to take that into account, but and get it set up more correctly. If I bring up, at the moment, as I say, I'm sharing a tab, and that's displaying quite well. I can go to window share and select a window. Oh, sorry, I was on window share. What am I saying? I can go to screen share, and then it's going to default to one of the monitors on my desktop. Now I'm using 3 monitors here. I haven't looked into how to make it work with any particular monitor, but basically that's Airtame 2 out of the box. Doesn't have all the features of some of the other products, but does work quite well quickly playing back stuff. Actually, I can play back some YouTube for you. So if we just jump onto YouTube, might be worthwhile having a quick look. Let's have a look, see. Here we go. So I'll just take something from our own YouTube channel. Now I'll just I'll put this in our recording window here. So here it is here within our recording window. Oh wow, this is an old video. Anyway, no matter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select to share that window up onto the Airtame device, which I've just done. And again, if we come over here to the monitor, you'll see here it is here. So now look, obviously this is not a particularly high refresh rate video, but you can see, hopefully, you can see okay that we're, the video's playing. It looks, it's probably not the best video. It looks okay. The video's over. It was maybe dropping a few frames in there. But there you go, that's a quick review of Airtame, not a deep dive at all. Airtame 2 actually, out of the box. Thanks very much.